Hi, good morning guys. Wait lang. Okay, sobrang init. Pero nagkakape ako. Malamig na yung kape ko. Anyway, so ipapakita ko sa inyo today yung gagawin ko kasi wala na kaming pagkain and walang laman yung ref namin. Pakita ko yung laman ng ref namin. See? I mean, may laman pero wala kaming ulam. Like, meron lang kaming Greek yogurt, berries, meron kaming ham, and cheese. Ooh, yummy. And then, wala na. Like, maraming Coke Zero. Hindi to puro, as in wala. By the way guys, ito yung pang skincare ko. Pero hindi ko na ginagamit. 6 na itlog. Mas marami pa yata yung skincare dito kaysa sa pagkain. Ay, yung freezer namin sobrang walang laman. Oh my gosh, ito lang, isang so, gagamitin natin yan ngayon. So, hindi kasi namin alam kung totoo ba yung mga chismis na baka daw mag-announce ng lockdown. Pero parang hindi naman siguro ganun ka-intense yung coronavirus. Pero if ever totoo man, at least kailangan mag-prepare ng canned goods. And yung mga pwedeng ma-impact na pagkain pang matagalan. Although, I don't like canned goods, pero wala akong choice. Pero I'll try to cook yung mga adobo, paksiw, or yung ano man yung ulam na pwedeng magtagal. So, nandito kami sa Unimart at mag-grocery kami. Mag-iimbak kami ng mga...
Tatlo na nagsabi sa akin today
Na ano?
na mag-supply.
Okay, so kain muna kami.
1941.
One eternity later.
Yan yung cart ni Justin. Yan yung cart ko. Fresh, diba? Oh my... Grabe. Puro junk food. Babe.
Next window na lang po pagkatalisip.
Thank you.
ID pa next window na.
Thanks, babe. First time to cook tinolang isda. So, tikman natin. Di nga.
Sarap.
Okay. Parang niloloko mo ko, babe. Describe the lasa.
Lasang fish.
Malamang isda yan. That's tuna. Hindi malansa?
Nope.
Hindi.
Nope.
Okay.
Kala ko sinigang.
Diyos ko. So, nagluluto ako ngayon. Gumawa ako ng 3 na dish for tonight. Actually, 4 pala. Pero yung first is kinainan namin, that was nilagang tuna or tinolang tuna. And then, ngayon, 3 lulutuin ko pa lang. And niluluto ko yung adobo, and then yung paksiw, and then waiting yung chicken quesadilla kasi 2 lang yung pwedeng lutuan. So, ito yung adobo natin. And then, 1 pan adobo lang yan. And then, itong tulingan na paksiw. So, ayan. Pwede yung magstay sa ref ng matagal, ilang araw. So, kahit hindi ako magluto for the week, full week, or maybe 2 weeks, pwede. So, sorry, makalat. Pampalakas ng immune system. Honey. Not just honey, it's manuka honey. Twice cooked adobo and salsa.
Sarap.
Yung honest.
Sarap. Same message.
Binagloloko mo talaga, babe. Yung honest naman.
Masarap.
Para mag-improve ako.
No. Twice cooked adobo, oily, hindi masabaw.
So, ayaw mo nang masabaw?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa face ko after this, but nilagay ko yung oxidized na avocado sa face ko. So, sana hindi mag-react. Our dinner is healthy chicken quesadilla kasi naubusan kami ng quesadilla sa restaurants. At hindi pa nabubuksan ng wine.
It's done.
Karaoke. Karaoke dito sa balay. Yun.
Ganito yung tama.
Yun no, may paikot-ikot pa.
Hindi ko siya ganito.
Okay, sige, kain na.
Pray that you protect us all, protect our friends, our family, our relatives, and may this pandemic be over soon.
Paksiw, yung rice cooked adobo na yan, yung sobrang hapon, and salad.
Thank you, Lord, for this food. Thank you, Lord, for today. Keep us safe, keep us healthy. Pray that this pandemic will be over soon. Bless us, God. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
18%.
Wait. Hey, here's what we like to do. I agree with Rick. She can take this to the next level. We have the
Nainit na?
and that's where really
Okay, so this is our meal plan for the week for the lockdown. Monday dinner out, Wednesday, lunch out. And then, nagluto ko ng tinolang tuna. Nakita nyo na yon. And then, kahapon, nag-chicken adobo and cauliflower. Pero niluto ko na din yon. So, naka-meal prep na yun. And then, meal prep again, chicken quesadilla. And then, kinain namin yung third na meal prep ko, which was the fish paksiw and salad today. And then, later, mag-fried fish kami. So, yun na yun makikita kasi ipopost ko na yung vlog mamaya. So, bukas, may sobra kami yung chicken quesadilla. So, meron kaming stock ng eggs and bacon. And para gusto yun yung bukas. And then sa Sunday, meron kaming stock ng chicken wings and celery. And then, meron pa kaming stock ng chicken soup. And ng chicken. So, chicken soup ako. Or, meron kaming mga wine and cheese. So buhay na kami for this week. Next week, kailangan namin mag-grocery ulit. Pakita ko lang yung ref namin ngayon. Hindi pa rin siya ganun pero may laman na siya compared nung last time. So ito yung magiging baka dinner namin kapag maubos na yung mga fresh produce namin. And ito yung mga fresh. Pwede pala ako mag-pasta sardine kasi may zucchini ako and bumili ako ng Spanish sardines. So, ang dami pang chicken quesadilla and pico de gallo. And then, for our fridge, meron kami bacon, chicken, and so, buhay pa nga kami. Abot pa kami ng next week. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!